Today we are going to see how we can run C or C+ program in VS Code editor. I have used Sublime, Atom, Vim, VS Code, and amongst all, I found that VS Code is like the most powerful one. It is having a large set of extensions. It is also very flexible. So let's try to run C++ program in VS Code. First of all, what we need is a C++ extension which is already available in VS Code, which will do the syntax highlighting, these kind of things. Then we will need a compiler. For compiler, what we are going to do is we are going to download the MinGW. This is like minimalistic GNU for Windows. There is a GNU compiler and it is the minimalistic version which is supported for Windows. We are going to install it. Then we will go to the installation path in our drive. We will go to the bin folder and we will add the bin path to the bin folder in the environment variable. So this is what we are going to do. Now let's quickly jump into it. As I said, first of all we need an extension. So we have this C++ extension. Since I have already installed it, I am getting the option to enable it. I have disabled it. You might get the option to install it. So just install it. Okay. Now the second task was to download the MinGW. This is the URL for MinGW and you need to click on this download button. We will get an exe file which we need to install. Once you have downloaded the exe file, or you might get a zip file, from that you just extract it and then you will have this file. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to complete the installation setup. Okay, I am cancelling it, but you just click on next and complete this setup. Once it will be installed, it will be available in the C drive, program files x86, then MinGW x64. Okay, then we have to go to the bin folder. Then we have to copy the path to the bin folder, this path. We need to add the path to the installation in our environment variables. So I'm going to search for environment variable and then we have to modify this path. I'm doing it for my personal path. You can also do it for system variables. So this is the path which this is the path to our bin folder which we need to paste here. Click OK, again OK, and just close it. And now we are in our VS Code. I'm going to create a new file. Let's call it hello.c. Now I'm going to write a very small C program. See these autocomplete syntax highlighting. This is done by the extension. Int main, then a printf statement which will just print hello world. So now we have written this C program, but how to compile it, and even if I am able to compile it, how to run it. So to compile it, we need to go to the terminal and then click on this run build task. I am getting the option which compiler I would like to use. I am going to choose this gcc.exe. Build finished successfully. Okay. So now we have to make sure that we are in this folder only where our program is. And one more thing is to notice is when we compiled it, we got this hello.exe. What we are going to do is we are going to run it. Just write ./hello. Yeah, we got the output hello world. So this is how we run a C or C+ program in VS Code editor. Thank you for listening to me.